Good morning. Om Shri Guruve Tunai, Tiruneliyaman Tunai, Om Shri Veerashanta Mahakali Tunai. First question. The 12th sign is the government fault. Answer. Problems caused by government. Any lord in the 12th bhava has this character. One should be honest in government penalty, government document and government problem. Government related problem case will come to them. Example, 12th lord is sitting in the bhava. Government compensation and government notice will come on behalf of the 12th bhava. If 12th lord is in second bhava, then one should be careful about income tax. If the 12th lord is in the fourth house, it means that there is going to be some legal problem through property, education, car, vehicle, house related to the mother and income tax documents in their name. We should be very careful about this movable property, immovable property, the property we have acquired through our labor or the property transferred from another person's name to our name. If not, you will have to pay a penalty to the government, and you have pay your tax correctly and promptly. Whichever positions the 12th house is, you must not be careless with the things related to this house, else one may face legal issues. If 12th lord is in 6th bhava, means debt, exam, submission of old documents in public service, office, government, private job, research, exam, hall ticket, impersonating in exam, one will have to face the government in this regards. One should be very careful and honest about the matters related to professional documents. If 12th lord is in 7th bhava, then one should be very careful with marriage related documents. One should be careful about this. If house, then pension, BF insurance should be careful about this. If 12th lord is in 8th house, thus pension, PF insurance related documents should be very carefully handled. If the 12th lord is in the 10th house, documents related to the business and company should be carefully handled. If 12th lord is in 12th position, then one should be careful about visa, passport, green card, etc. Do not submit fake document or give to fake agency. If the 12th lord is in the 11th, one should not impersonate others document to stay abroad. If the 12th lord is in 9th bhava, one should be very careful in the matter of long distance travel. Be careful while pursuing higher education. If the 12th bhava lord is in the 6th bhava, the child should be careful about the younger maternal uncle. The second, the main quality of 12th place is suicidal ideation. Answer, telling others that he will commit suicide for his lust. No courage to commit suicide, but pretend to do so just to attract others' attention, to embarrass others by saying that I am going to die is the 12th bhava's nature. Where the 12th lord sits, there will be events such as suicidal ideation and suicide in that family. Even if any other lord is in the 12th place, that malefic relationships will make suicide attempt, suicide death or suicidal ideation. Whatever the 12th lord is going, we get political influence depending on that bhava. One will get political connections directly or indirectly through that bhava relationship. If the 12th lord is in the 9th bhava, there will be in close relations with father, brother-in-law, spouse, younger brother, friends, law, politicians. If it is in the 4th bhava, Matrilineal family will have the political and government association. Grandfather if he is in the fifth bhava. If it is in the sixth bhava, the younger maternal uncle. If it is in the second bhava, the elder maternal uncle and mother's elder sister. If in seventh bhava, spouse and maternal grandmother. If placed in the 12th position, maternal grandfather, paternal grandmother, mother-in-law and younger brother. Wherever the 12th lord is placed, the malefics will come into correct with politicians through it. If it is in Lagna, the political connections will be for us. Wherever the 12th lord is placed, there is a possibility of having a registered or unregistered marriage. Where the 12th lord goes and sits, there will be medical knowledge related to that bhava. They will be connected to the medical world. The 9th lord of the house, where he resides, will be in government job. They are directly or indirectly in government jobs. Number 3. Where the 9th lord is placed, there will be Rahu's karmic record and star sign connections will be found. Answer. Pusam, Visagam, Sadayam, star and industries related do it. Transport, public works, railways, aviation, petroleum, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, travel and related sectors will be involved. Telecommunication, electricity related sector, chemical related sector, plastic related material, oil resources, government jobs, all these are Rahu Karma. The 9th bhava is associated with the 9th lord or any other bhava. They will be associated with this sector. There will definitely be people related by blood in these industries. If the 9th lord is associated with 9th bhava, then bigamy, sudden death, accidental death, death by murder, suicide will happen in their family. Cancer related health disorder, poisonous fever, jaundice, asthma, wheezing, tuberculosis, chest cold related problem will be associated. They should be careful in dealing with electricity. They will have contacts in government office. If the 9th lord is in the 6th bhava, means maternal younger uncle and younger aunt. If in second position, means elder maternal uncle and great grandmother. If it is in the 5th bhava, there will be a grandfather connection. If their lineage there is less worship of Pitru and someone who have not given Pitru Tidhi to an ancestors. If any other lord is in the 9th bhava, they also have this character. Fourth, if the 12th lord is in the 4th bhava. Answer. A different desire can be seen in their thinking. Some people have the desire to stay or live in their hometown. The desire to build my own house and live in the birth city is the desire. If the 12th lord is in the 4th bhava, even if I live in a foreign country, I will live with the ambition to die in my hometown or to bury or cremate myself in my hometown. This is a unique thought deeply recorded in their mind. If 12th lord is in 5th bhava, there will be desire to perform consecration to maintain family deity temple and at own expenses. They will have settled down a generation ago, and there is a possibility of communications. If the 5th lord is in the 12th house, then his character is not present. 9th, 12th lord will have more than 2 marriages. 12th has bigamy, living with a woman without having a marriage, thereby creating an heir. They will be considered as single parent. Marriage with or without the knowledge of the people, public will be associated to 12th bhava. Lagna lord sign and star, body, life, soul can be of Ashlesha or Purvabhadra descent. There is a possibility of becoming continuity. Ninth Lord sitting in 12th Lord Lagana or 1 9 12 if conjunction 50% conjunction 90% strong conjunction. Ashlesha Purvabhadra star if Lagana Lord 1st 9th 12th is a strong positivity. They have a strong bigamy probability and need to be careful to see if it is still strong. 1 7 9 12 combination 1 7 7 1 there is a possibility of divorce. First marriages will end in failure or relationship problems. If there is a combination of 9 12 with this bigamy system is a strong 1 7 9 12 if there is Lagana sign star Pusam Ashlesha Purvabhadra stars, then there is 2-star system, so they should be very careful. 1771 transaction 1912 if relation exists, this horoscope has a 2 wife. Fifth, privilege, good luck. Answer, luck is something which find us without a plan and without an effort. Therefore, what is desired is not what we seek. It is the unexpected, the unattainable, the unthinkable. Good things like spiritual connections happen unexpectedly. It's good luck getting it. Whichever planet is in the 9th bhava and the 9th lord is in whichever bhava, it shows the divine power. When something happens against the horoscope, it is like a rope to help one escape from a situation, like giving a key to unlock. That key or rope is the 9th bhava. Whichever malefic aspects is in the 9th bhava and where the 9th lord is seated. In both of these sceneries, we get the fruits of good and bad effects that we are facing in the present time. If God gives us a key to escape, it is the 9th Lord, the 9th Bhava. To receive a favor without even asking for it is luck and a blessing. If the 9th Lord sits in the 11th Bhava, elder brother, father, friends circle, friendship group, such relationships are the 11th Bhava. Whenever we turn on the 11th Bhava, an opportunity that we are not looking for will come looking for us. And this connection will lead us to be better position in our life. No matter how hard we work, that opportunity will not find us. Such opportunity will find us effortlessly. By activating the 11th bhava, the 9th bhava will be activated. If the 11th lord placed in the 9th sign, then if the 9th sign is activated, the 11th sign will be activated. If the 9th lord is in the 11th bhava, the divine power helps us through the 11th bhava, and any planet in the 9th bhava will get an unexpected trump card. It will bring unexpected benefits. This is where the 9th bhava is bliss. If 9th lord is in 7th bhava, then spouse, partner will be lucky through outer world contact. Where the 9th bhava lord is seated, those bhava dependents will have spiritual connections. If the 9th lord is in the 11th, all the friends we get will depend on spiritual connections. Siddhas, business geniuses, spiritual geniuses will bless these people. They will also be associated with spiritual strength and incredible talent. If the 9th lord is in the 4th bhava, it is related with maternal relatives. If the 9th lord is in the 5th bhava, its grandfather. If 9th lord is in 6th bhava, then mother's younger brother and sister. If it is in 2nd bhava, mother's elder brother and mother's elder sister. If it is in the first bhava and the horoscope will find this connection. If one has to open one's forehead eye, even if it is 50 years, it's doubtful. The ninth lord will be beneficial as if one searches for it and opens it in a few minutes. They will be spiritually related to the place where the ninth house is occupied. Siddha yogis tend to have occult contacts. There are many great geniuses who are associated with satsang and expected benefits will come through it. Great wisdom will come. This is because Sagittarius comes as the ninth bhava. In this, the ninth sign depends on the ninth lord and is like a trump god for those who come out of karmic results. Sixth, details of second marriage. Answer: the man or woman who comes as second marriage to a horoscope will go in second marriage. Horoscope that can go as second spouse: 135, 17, 19, 112, 36. Joins or sees, then it's strengthened. It will be confirmed in 1, 3, 6, 7, 9, 12. Those who get the widows as the bridge room have a 1, 3, 6 relationships. Number 7. Fortune telling, spirit positions, ghostly behavior. Answer: acting as a medium where subtle light waves convey some information to the world through humans. Good fortune telling means the eighth aspect of Mars is looking over moon. Bless the family like this. Those who speak are related to the occult, the spirit. In a family, those who have spirit positions will have connections with either world. They can see spirits. Their body acts as medium for both good and bad. If the moon sits in the eighth place, then Mars 4, 7, 8, these three places as eighth place, then that family will have these people. The eighth aspects of Mars falls on the moon, and this star is placed in the same family as Ashwini, Ashlesha, Anuradha, Purvabhadra, Sun Karma stars is featured. A system that is stronger than contact. If Pusam, Visaham, Sadayam stars are connected, etc., strength, Sun, Rahu, Karma stars, if these three combinations are in the same family in the same horoscope, then the family should avoid going to cremation. Go to the place where there is drishti is removed in temples. Go to the place related to bad things, and these types of work should be avoided. There is nothing wrong with them if they are in good spiritual matters. There is no wrong if a human yaga is held in such a place. If they are in a place with good energy, they will get benefit. But they should not be in a place where they do bad things like witchcraft and evil deeds happens. They will like that, but it will definitely affected them. The damage can be of any size. Number 8. A planet that indicates two wives. Answer: Jupiter, Ketu is the 9th bhava and the 12th bhava respectively. Lagna conjunction in Jupiter, Ketu bhava. Jupiter birth star is Pusam, which has multiple wife dosha. Ashlesha and Purvabhadra are stars with Bigami dosha. So Jupiter, Ketu in 7th bhava with Pusam, Ashlesha, Purvabhadra, Lagna. These two planets are in conjunction with Lagna. 9th bhava is in conjunction with 12th bhava. 12th lord is in bhava. It is thither in that bhava above that Jupiter is conjunct. whatever bhava Ketu is sitting in, everything is thither in that bhava or more than two wires are connected. Saturn is the planet that indicates that the person will go as a second wife. For example, if Saturn is in conjunction with Lagna or 136 is in conjunction, there will be divorced, married, widowed people. Example, 9th Lord with Lagna, 12th Malefic Lord in conjunction with 9, 12 are not already married. In addition, the 7th Bhava and the Lord of the 7th house related to 36 along with 136 related Bhavas will be married as second spouse. Number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12 Bhava connected people will be already married or remarried. 1, 9, 12 will have two wife. Number 2, 1, 3, 6 will become second husband wife. Number 3, 1, 3, 6, 9, 12 if Saturn joins they will have multiple marriage. Number 9, child dosa. Answer 1, 2, 5 corresponds directly or indirectly with Jupiter Karma cursed signs like Mrigashiradam, Hassam, Uttiradam indicates child dosa. Any family where these three stars are connected, there is child dosa. 1, 2, 5 if there is a strong connections or combinations. The sun's dosa is to lose the child and live separately. Number 10, difficult delivery. Answer, Sun Mars combinations strengthen in 5th bhava. Sun Moon sessions 5th bhava, Moon Mars conjunct 5th sign 1 to 5 relationship. Due to that sign there will be dosa of difficult delivery. Number 11, Sun Karma is associated with. Answer, be careful with the government documents. Ashwini, Ashlesha, Anuradha, Purvabhadra are the sign which have Sun Karma. One should be careful in government documents depending on the Sun Karma and 12th Bhava depending on the 8th place. If the 12th Lord is in Bhava, then one should be honest and careful in the matter of documents like pension and BF. If there are fake documents, then there will be problem. Number 12, mental health and psychological problem. Answer, horoscope with congenital mental retardation and are stars related. There are three types of mental damage. Number 1, congenital lack of mental development, congenital lack of brain development, congenital lack of mental maturity. Number 2, nervous system damage and neurological mood disorder. Number 3, there is no problem in the cranial nerve at birth, no nerve issues. It is totally a psychological problem, mental problem. There are three types of mental problems. Moon is a malefic planet for emotional damage. Moon is the god of mind. Moon is the karma dependent star. Lagana star lord relationship. Bharani, Magam, Kettai, Uttaratadi, these 4 stars are moon karma star. 167, 1617, any of these side combinations will create psychological problem for the horoscope. To connect with one another, or they mad or have any brain problems, are they affected in the nervous system, there is none of this, but what they may have in just a psychological problem. An unwanted problem in childhood would trigger a feeling of mania in their mind. Because of that deep-seated thing, their mind becomes obsessed and psychological problems is related to it. Due to this horoscope, person behaves irritable at times, throwing people down, screaming like a psycho, but these guys have such a problem will not be known by others. Only those who are close to them know this problem. 167. If the combinations is strong, this problem will be strong. The same problems will be lesser if it is in the aspect of these star combination. If only one planet joins, its effect will be lesser. Thank you, thank you, thank you.